Matthew 6:26 says, "Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow, they do not reap, they do not store away in barns, yet your heavenly Father feeds them." Think about birds. They wake up with no savings account, no 5-year plan, no emergency backup. Yet they always find what they need. They don't panic, they don't stress, they don't compare themselves with others. They don't wonder if they are going to make it. They simply trust the Heavenly Father, the one who created them, and He never fails. So, if God can provide for a tiny bird, how much more will He care for you and me, someone created in His own image with purpose, destiny, gifts, and calling. So, stop letting worry steal your joy. Lift your head, you are